Hello my dear students, today I'll be explaining how to solve this question quickly. In the ionic equation for the reaction, iO3 minus plus 6H plus A electron giving raised to I minus plus 3H2O. The value of A is, you have to find the value of what? A. How many electrons should be added? Simple, I need not bother about H plus and 3H2O. We are interested in only finding the number of electrons. So I'll rewrite the equation here. iO3 minus giving raised to I minus. Let us find the oxidation number. Oxidation number of I will be plus 5. This is minus 1. From plus 5 to minus 1, how many electrons should be added? Plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, then minus 1. So we need to add 6 electrons. 6 electrons. Therefore, our final equation should be iO3 minus plus 6 electrons giving raised to I minus. Because only one central atom, no need to worry about the other things. So what's the value of A? So the value of A will be 6. Simple. Thank you.